Hello friends, welcome again to Option Theory and Practicals. So as promised, tonight we will be going to have a session on options basics, and apart from that we will be discussing two strategies through which you can generate 10 to 20k per month easily. But that also requires a little bit of investment from your side also. So before the session gonna start on tonight, I want to clear some basics which I will be discussing in this video. So let me get you all familiar with the option chain, where we can find the option chain. As I have opened, you can see the old website of NSE India. Actually NSE India has two websites. If you will click this one, let me show you. Click here. So if you will normally search for the NSA India website, this website will show up. But as this is new website, I do not know how to check the option chain in this new website. So it's always better to go to the old website, and you can navigate to the old website by clicking www.1.nsaindia.com, or simply come in the new site and then press this URL. Okay. Here you can find the option chain in by going to live market and then equity derivatives. So here the Nifty option chain is displayed. So if you want to switch to Bank Nifty, you can select Bank Nifty. Now see, Bank Nifty option chain is selected. You can also select the different expiries also from here. Like by default the current week expiry will be selected. If you want to change the expiry date, you can select from here. See, I have changed from 19th to 16th July. And if you want to switch to the last monthly expiry, that is 30th July, you can select here also. Now you can see I have selected 30th July Bank Nifty, and similarly for Nifty also you can select Nifty and then direct go to 30th July. Apart from this, you can check the stock options also. Like if you want to search SBI option chain, just type SBIN and then go. Now you can see here SBI underlying stock is SBI 184.65 is the last traded price. To search individual stocks, you should know their unique name. Like SBI N is the unique name for searching SBI. Similarly for India Bulls Housing Finance, the unique name is iBull Housing. If you don't know, then you will be having some difficulty while searching the individual stock option chain. Like if I type ICICI, see there is no option chain is available for ICICI, and no suggestion is also given by the NSC website. So you should know the unique name. For ICICI Bank, I guess this should be the unique name. Yeah, the unique name is ICICI Bank without any space. Now you can see, though we have opened the ICICI Bank option chain. So in tonight's video we will be using this option chain very frequently to explain you the strategies which we will going to discuss tonight. And apart from that, some other things also, like I want to discuss like the how the options market emerged in India. Initially, when in 1994 NSC started, there was no options, like there is no concept of options in the Indian markets. If you compare with means Indian, when the options arrived in the Indian markets, the options were broadly categorized into two main categories, like American style options and European style options. So right now we are following European style options. I will explain the difference between the two in the webinar also. So hope this small video is helpful for you all. Thank you. If you find the content useful, then please like and comment and share.